everyone, my name is Jenna. I'm the social media marketing lead here at Farmer John's Greenhouse, and today we'll be talking about deterring wildlife away from your garden. So first off, before you figure out any products that you want to use, make sure you know what animal is eating all your plants. For example, a deer, rabbit, chipmunk, squirrels, the list goes on. After you figured out what's eating all of your plants, secondly, you'll decide how to combat it. One great way to keep animals out of your garden is by fencing. Adding a fence surrounding your garden will keep the animals out and all of your plants in, not half-eaten fruits. A second way is by planting plants or herbs that your certain animal that's coming into your garden does not like. Once you figure out what animal is coming into your garden, then you could figure out what herb they don't like and start to plant that. Next, we're going to have Lily start to talk about some repellents we have in store to repel animals away from your garden.
Hello everyone, my name is Lily at Farmer John's Greenhouse. I'm one of the sales reps here at our lovely greenhouse. Today we're going to be talking about our products for repellents. So first today we're going to be talking about one of our products called Plantskydd. It's one of our natural products that is safe around pets and kids. Does not harm any wildlife. So Plantskydd repels all types of wildlife. It creates a predator odor to prevent other wildlife from eating your vegetables, your plants, and other shrubs. So here we have our other products is our liquid fence. This is a thing that you would put around the barrier of your flower bed or your perimeter of your house, just to repel any rodents, deer, or any other animals in the wild. So here we have next is our Bondi products, which we have a Repels-All. Repels-All products is easy to use. This one actually hooks up to your hose. It's safe for pets and kids. The best repellent is that it gets an irritation for the rodents' noses. So that way it irritates them to ward them away from your plants and garden. So here we have our another Bondi product. It's called MoleMax. It's a repellent that is pellets that you can cover on your whole lawn or in your flower bed. It soaks into the soil deep so that way all the moles and other rodents that burrow in the ground or that live above ground, it repels it from getting into your flower bed. So our next product that we're going to be looking at, which is our final product, is going to be our Deer X Shield, basically. It is a mesh that can cover your shrubs, trees, or bushes, can cover your fence line, so if you don't want to pay big money for like a big plastic fence or a metal fence to repel the deer. We also have this lovely product. So I'd like to thank you all for joining us at our Farmer John's Greenhouse on YouTube. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Lily. I'm one of the sales reps here at Farmer John's Greenhouse. It was lovely to see you all. Bye!